What is up, you guys? So, back at it again with a new unboxing. It is my ASUS G751JL DS71. Got it just a few moments ago. So let's get to this. Let's open this up. Alright, time to open this baby up. Let's see where to start from. Okay, I'll just open up from here. Oh, this plastic is thick. Alright, let's see where to open from. Okay, we're open from the top. Damn, it's really plastic. Damn, it's a lot of plastic. They wrapped it with plastic basically. Okay, wait. I feel an edge here, so. Ah! Okay, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. Whoa, this thing is heavy. And now we have a box, which we could, I think, we could slide it out, I'm guessing? Yeah, let's slide that out. Need that. And voila! Voila! Oh, this bad boy is heavy. Open this up. And let's see. Oh my god, how do you open this thing up? I'm not fully sure. Okay. Okay. Wait. Huh. Guess I opened it backwards. Let's try that again. Let's close this. Oh my god, I can't get it to close it. Let's try this again. Oh, there we have it. Nice. ROG Republic of Gamers. Pretty awesome. Oh, much better. In sort of incredible. Oh man. Let's open it this way for you guys. So it's incredible. Here we have the laptop. It was an open box laptop. They resealed it and sold it for testing purpose. Let's put that aside just for a moment, the laptop. Let's see what we get inside. Here we have, I'm guessing, a cleaning cloth. Some ROG stickers. Can you see that? Yeah. Warranty card from ASUS. Something, I'm guessing, a quick installation guide. Don't need that. What is this? Oh, here's the cable tie and some screws. I don't know what's that for. See what else. And in here we have the charger. Two parts. So yeah. ASUS. This brick is heavy. Put that aside. Anything else? Nope. Nothing else. Let's put that aside and let's get a look at the laptop now. Okay, we'll put these stuff aside also. that aside and voila. Wow, look at that thing. Oh my god. Ventilation at the back, sweet. It is really heavy though. I mean, you can't carry this thing around. Windows 8, man, I hate Windows 10, so I got a Windows 8 one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's open it up for the first time. Ooh. Sweet mama. Let's turn it on, see if it comes on. Oh yeah, we have juice, baby. Wow, look at that. Let's see on the box where the specs are. Let's give you guys an idea. Where is it? Oh, here we have the specs card. It is the G751JL. This is the one I got, the DS71. So it's a 17-inch display. 2 gig of video RAM. Has Intel i7-4720HQ. That's pretty awesome. 1 terabyte hard drive. I wish it had a solid state though. That would have been pretty cool. What's up? What's up? Oh, it's on. DDR3L 8 gig RAM. USB 3.0. Nice. Yeah, that's basically it. And then it has the GeForce GTX 965M, as you can see there. Oh, sweet! It has a. Oh yeah. Oh, so yeah, I gotta set this up now. All right, I'll do that in a few. Anyways, yeah, guys. So that's just the quick unboxing on the ASUS ROG Republic of Gamers laptop, the G751JL DS71 gaming laptop. So there you have it. Just a quick unboxing, nothing too professional or whatever, but you know, just want to show you my new laptop, which I finally got. Because I had the Acer Aspire, I can't remember. It was a V Nitro, some shit like that. And I took that back because it sucked. I don't like it. So that's why I ended up getting a gaming laptop from ASUS, whatever, however you say it. Oh sweet, look at that. The ROG logo on the back lights up when it's on. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick unboxing. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I don't know, I'm pretty sure no one did because it kind of sucked. But hey, whatever, I just want to show my laptop off. And give you guys an idea of the specs and what it looks like if you were interested in buying this laptop also. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and yeah, peace.